Welcome to my channel, Rich Concept TV. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attractive thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail 2021, and we shall be using a platform called Canva.com. For those of you who doesn't have a free, this platform Canva.com is free. For those of you that doesn't have a free account, I want you to go to the description of this video. I want you to click on the link and watch how to get a free Canva account 2022. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a simple and an attractive YouTube thumbnail. We all know that thumbnail help people to be able to click on your video. So now, as you can see, basically Canva is a beautiful platform where you can create any kind of graphic. You can use Canva to edit your video. You can use it to create any kind of graphic for your social media and other things. Now if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, it's very simple. Now all you need to do here, now you go to this place. Now it has already provided, because every tools, every design has its own measurement. So you go to this place that says YouTube thumbnail, you click on it. Now as you can see, it has clicked on it, and we are not going to use any template here, because by default we are free to choose any template here. Okay, but we are not going to choose any template here. We shall be creating our thumbnail all afresh. Okay, so now what do you do? Now we come to those place. Now here that says insert text, I click on it, then I click on heading. By the time when I click on heading, then I drag my mouse. I'll now drag it. Now I'll now drag it, and I hit backspace, because now the thumbnail I'm creating is, I made a video on how to create a free Canva account. So now I'll now type create all in capital letters. I'm using capital letters here. Create sign up. Sign up 2022. Now as you can see, now I can increase the font size. As you can see, I can increase the font size. Then I come to this place. Now I click on here. Now then here that says 2022, I can just enlighten it, highlight it. Then I go to here and change the color. Then I can just click here and make it to be red. It's very easy creating a free Canva and creating a YouTube thumbnail using the platform called Canva. So now as you can see, now I come to this place. Now then I want to insert Canva logo, because now I made a video on how to create a free Canva account. So I'm just designing a very simple YouTube thumbnail. And because anytime I design thumbnail, I normally make my thumbnail to be very simple and unique. So now I come to this place that says upload. Now I click on it, then I go to upload file. When I click on upload file, it takes me to a file picker. So now I come to those place now, and I click on the file here. Now I click on it, then the thing is now uploading. The picture that I want to use is now uploading. Now so what do? I wait for it to upload, then I click on it. Then as you can see, now I double click it. That is why the thing appeared to. Now look, as you can see, this is the picture that I uploaded. So I now have to drag it. Now I have to drag the picture. I now drag it. Make it to be small. Then after that, because now then I go to my file upload again. Then I upload another picture. Then I click open. It's now uploading. We allow it to upload for a while. Then after that I click on it. Now then I have to drag it. When I come to this place, I drag the file. I drag the file, because now I normally make my thumbnail to be very unique. I drag the file, so you can see there are so many things you can do with Canva now. So then after that, I come to this place, then I can come to this. There are so many things you can do with Canva. It all depends on what you really want to do. Then I come to this place. Now I want to insert another text. Now I come to here that says insert text. I click on it. By the time when I click on it, I can just click on headings. Then I come to this place and drag this thing. And I can click backspace and I can just write account, as you can see now. Then I can see my cursor is inside this account. I can still come here. I can still increase the size if I want. I can increase the size of the sensor if I want, or I can just change the handwriting, the writing type. I can change it the way I want. It all depends on your choice. As you can see, it has changed now. I can come to this place and highlight it. There are so many things you can do with it. Now I can click here and change the color. If I want to change the color of this account, now I want to make it to be red, because now I normally make my thumbnail to be very unique. I can come to this place now and I click on it and I'll change the color. Now as you can see, the account now has become red now. Then if I want, now I can increase the character here. When I click on it, then I go to here, I'll click on plus sign. I can see I've increased the size of the character, you see. Then I can come to this place now. Maybe probably now I want to, I can still come to my upload now, and I can come and upload. Maybe I want to upload maybe like a kind of a computer or anything. I can come to this place now, click on it, and I upload my file again. As you can see, my file is uploading, so I just have to give it a little while. It has uploaded. Then I can click here now. This is my computer, the one I selected. I can come here and insert it. I can come here and insert it. As you can see, create sign up 2022 Canva account. I can still come to this place here and I'll still upload another video. I can come to this place and I come to this place now and I select OK and upload another video. Network is bad. Upload another video. I can click on it and run it. It all depends on what you want. There are so many things you can do with Canva. So this is just an amazing YouTube thumbnail. Normally, what I normally tell people, when you are making a YouTube thumbnail, always make sure that your thumbnail convey the message of the video. It's very easy using Canva. Canva is so amazing. Even though if you have zero knowledge in graphic design, there are so many things you can do with Canva. Then now, after creating your thumbnail, as you can see, this is a unique thumbnail that I created. Now if you want to download this thumbnail, then you go to here that says download. You click on it. By the time when you click on it, now it has suggested that you can download this file in so many files. You can download it in NPG and PNG or JPG or standard or PDF standard. But now Canva, they have suggested you to download it on PNG high quality. So you click on it now. Then you come to here that says download. You click on download. As you can see, it is downloading now. It's downloading. So as you can see, our picture has been downloaded. Then when we click on it now, we press open, we go to it. So this is the thumbnail we use in creating Canva. This is the thumbnail we just created using canva.com. Very simple. It is not difficult. One thing I like about Canva is that even though if you have zero knowledge on graphic design, this website is just a kind of pick and drop and pick and drag and pick, and when you drag it, then you paste it. paste and drag and paste. It's very easy to use. Canva.com. It is one of the best software and website I normally use when it comes to graphics. It's very easy. It is user friendly. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In here I drop real value. Then if you have any question, don't forget to comment on the comment section.